Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated. Frequently asked questions. Hey there, Furbu here, and today we're diving deep into the world of the stunning Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated. This beauty has taken the houseplant world by storm with its minty green variegation and lush foliage. But with its unique characteristics come some specific needs. So, if you're considering adding this tropical gem to your collection, here are some of the most frequently asked questions to help you get started. What is Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated? The Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated is a stunning variation of the classic Monstera deliciosa Swiss cheese plant. This specific variety boasts a unique variegation pattern where the leaves showcase a blend of minty green and creamy white. The green veins weave throughout the white background, creating a captivating and dynamic contrast. This plant is a climber by nature, boasting impressive aerial roots it uses to attach itself to supports as it grows. As it matures, the iconic Swiss cheese holes or fenestrations develop on its leaves, adding another layer of visual interest. Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated versus Monstera Deliciosa. What's the difference? The Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated shares many similarities with its non-variegated cousin, the Monstera Deliciosa. Both plants possess the classic split-leaf form and aerial roots. However, the key difference lies in their variegation. The Monstera Deliciosa features solid green foliage, while the Mint Variegated boasts the stunning combination of minty green and white variegation. This variegation can vary from plant to plant, with some having more prominent white sections and others showcasing a more balanced distribution of color. Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated versus Monstera Albo. Which one should I get? Both the Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated and the Monstera Albo are coveted for their stunning variegation. However, there are some key distinctions to consider. Variegation pattern. The Monstera Albo typically features larger white patches with less green marbling compared to the minty green veins characteristic of the Mint Variegated. Light requirements. The Monstera Albo requires even brighter, indirect light than the Mint Variegated due to its higher level of variegation. Less green means less chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Rarity and price. Generally, the Monstera Albo is considered rarer and commands a higher price tag. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal preference for the variegation pattern and your ability to provide the necessary light conditions. How do I care for my Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated? Here's what you need to know to keep your Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated thriving. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil dries out. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems, so ensure the pot has drainage holes. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal. You can use a humidifier, pebble tray, or group your plants together to increase humidity levels. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark is a good option. Fertilizer. Fertilize during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength. Support. As the plant matures, provide a moss pole or other support structure for it to climb. Remember, due to variegation, Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated may grow slower than its non-variegated counterpart. This is because the white areas have less chlorophyll, which is essential for photosynthesis. Can I propagate my Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated? Propagation is possible, but it's important to understand the challenges. Variegation instability. New leaves might not inherit the desired variegation pattern. Sometimes, they may revert back to solid green foliage. Propagation methods. Stem cuttings with aerial roots have the highest chance of retaining variegation. However, success rates can be lower compared to propagating a non-variegated Monstera. Here are some additional tips for propagation. Use a sharp, sterile knife to make clean cuts. Apply rooting hormone to the cut end of the stem, optional. Plant the cutting in a well-draining potting mix and keep it moist but not soggy. Provide bright, indirect light and high humidity. Be patient, as propagation can take several weeks or even months. Where can I buy a Monstera Borsigiana Mint Variegated? Due to its popularity, the Monstera Borsigiana mint variegated can be challenging to find at your local nursery. Here are some options to consider. Online plant sellers. Many reputable online plant retailers offer Monstera Borsigiana mint variegated for purchase. Be sure to research the seller's reputation and shipping policies before making a purchase. Plant enthusiast groups. Online forums and social media groups dedicated to houseplants can be a good resource for finding rare plants like the mint variegated. Members may propagate their own plants and offer them for sale or trade. Important note, due to its rarity, the Monstera Borsigiana mint variegated can be quite expensive. Be wary of unrealistically low prices, as these could be scams. Conclusion. The Monstera Borsigiana mint variegated is a captivating houseplant with unique foliage and a climbing habit. While it requires a bit more care than its non-variegated counterpart, with proper attention, you can cultivate a thriving and beautiful specimen in your home. Remember, the key is to provide the right amount of light, water, and humidity. Be patient with propagation and enjoy the journey of watching your Monstera Borsigiana mint variegated grow and develop its stunning variegation.